Hi guys. So as I mentioned, I think in my other video, I'm going to be finishing up the geometry class for Huma. So I wanted to just give you a quick introductory comments on how we're going to finish it, what our plan is. I hope everyone's doing okay and everyone's family is healthy. Okay, so let me get to the document that I've sent you that shows the plan. And let me pull up. Okay, there it is. So, sorry, I'm outside and I'm distracted by some people running by my house. Anyway, so here is the plan for the geometry. Now, for the geometry, we have these topics left to discuss: the study of angles, the study of triangles, study of quadrilaterals, circles, and regular polygons. So I will be recording and posting on Google Classroom the lessons associated with the study of the triangle and the study of the quadrilaterals. Okay, so those will be my videos, which I will post the lessons for. And for the rest of them, you will need to, again, go to Edvid that you used for the math lessons, and you need to watch the following videos that I have listed here. Now, they do a pretty good job of covering most of the presentations for angles, circles, and polygons. You will need to check your album and make sure that everything's covered, okay? Anything that isn't covered, either I will cover or is just an extension of something, you should be able to easily figure it out, because these videos cover all, I think, of the key experiences for geometry for these concepts. All right. Again, your username is all caps Princeton. The password is all caps Edvid. Unfortunately, these videos do not have a video number like the math do. I don't know why. So these you're going to have to search by the title of the videos. All right. Okay, and this should take you, most of these videos are very short. They're like 3 or 4 minutes. This should take you maybe 2 or 3 hours. All right. And again, as you watch the videos, please take notes, please make drawings, pictures, anything you need to do to get your album filled with all the usual stuff that you put into your album. All right, and then we have 2 assignments. I'm going to start with the second one. Oh, I realize I need to change something here. This should read geometry. So just like in the math, I want you to write an overview of the geometry curriculum. And again, you're going to do it as if it's directed to parents. And here's the guidelines as to what you should cover in the video. It's exactly the same essay as the math one, except for geometry. Okay? And you will submit that. There'll be an assignment posted on Google Classroom, and you can submit it there. This should take you maybe 2 or 3 hours. All right, again, it doesn't have to be long, it just has to be thorough. Okay, all right. And then the top assignment here is, again, the same assignment as you saw in the math, to write an essay explaining how and why the geometry presentations in the album are organized the way they are, and how the progression of lessons reflects Montessori philosophy. Give at least 3 specific examples from the album. Now, you notice I changed this. I changed it for both math and geometry. Originally, I had it that you were writing 3 short essays, like 1 for each topic in math. And then I decided, no, we're just going to do 1 essay probably 1 or 2 pages, and just give 3 examples from the album. So it makes it simpler to do, and you're doing the same thing for geometry. And again, the reason I'm doing this is because you're just watching videos. You don't have the benefit of me explaining how we transition from one presentation to the next, what the prerequisites are, what considerations you need to look at, you know, to make sure the child is ready to move on. These are all the kinds of things that I share with you. Hopefully you've seen enough at this point of that kind of discussion, and you have a much better understanding of the Montessori philosophy, having been in the classroom for a year, that this should be a fairly straightforward assignment for you, okay? And that maybe will also take 2 or 3 hours. All right, and I think that's all I need to say. I also, no, that's it. I think that's all I need to say here. So let me stop sharing and go back to the video. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Please, please, if you have any questions, call me or email me, whatever you need to do. We can set up a time to talk if you need to. I am available for you, okay? All right, guys, I think that's it. You can get started with the videos that are pre-recorded, the ones that are already at EdVid. And I am starting to videotape the other lessons this weekend. So I will hopefully have them done over the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna, as I record them, I will post them so you can, you know, watch them at your, when you have time, okay? All right, guys, thanks so much. See you soon, I hope. Bye-bye.